This particular campaign and the nets, we have spent we are going to spend $120 million on mosquito nets alone.
Ebi Dr. Dana Twiine abigambira mu rukungana rw'ebembezi abebyo butegetsi hamwe n'abebyo kwerinda urwashita mu mbara kandi urwahita bamabembezi urwo muri burengero izuba hamwe n'icyange cya Buganda.
Area mushanga district says mwezona mdiaho mwena matayi mdiaba kama n'umushabo bururu abamwe mdiaba bururu n'umushabo bururu bona mazima abantu bateyire la twiine so mwena mtija kuhera niyo kama uzete chakuzi mtija kuhera hii we are presiding over the population that is not taking their lives seriously.
Dr. Diana Twiine yahanangiriza abembezi b'ebiceka bya hansi abakureba abantu babutosha bakozesa ku obutimba bw'ensiri barukubuzisiza mu enkoko bayitoteireho no kubukozesa kusharura ebihingwa byabo hamwe no kubikwatira mu mukene okugezaho kutambira ihanga abo kuba government neta musente nyingi mu butimba obu.
Personally, I have witnessed this. At one time I stopped. I saw they were busy, all these new nets were covering Mvuba, they were busy catching in Naka at 3 o'clock in broad daylight next to the highway, Gulu Road. I stopped, I looked around, I tried to look for police. I did my police, they are not the right people to, police I travel with. They are not the right people to go and arrest people. I tried to look around, then they told me police was a bit far and I had passed and I was in a hurry and I'm like, really? I walked away really without taking these people in cells? Misuse. And imagine the leaders, you see these things every day and you just pass. Just know this is our resource, government money. These mosquito nets, I cannot tell you, each mosquito, we have spent millions of dollars on these nets. And some people somewhere, these nets are not free. Some people somewhere paid for those nets. But people are busy using them, catching what? These small fish, what are they? Those ones that smell a lot. What are they called? Mukene. They are busy catching those small fish of mukene. They are busy building chicken houses, nets, mosquito nets. They are busy doing Naka catching. They are about to maybe to use also for selling.
Abebembezi abatari bamwe na bamwe bajumirira ministry y'amagara abogumane to butimba umbiceke bya Buganda ukekabara kubifitiyo myanye ndijo
education kafa programs za education bakazita ngwenu mureka bataka bakore byo barabasa bagume baraha information ha internet bagume bari bwambira bari ebi baramanya bice n'ubushema bwabo bwo batashomire bundi butaramanya babyevanzemo then imwe mu ryo mushara hube konka abatakati barahinduke health education cyari
guma nosanga katimba kagumene kasanibati kalinka steel abo icyo muntu asoka byamamunika mwocha ubwingi bukavocha abantu batabeke sente akatimba ako bukakwija no banza no kateka aheru umusawa mwembe ne karaba marebero nkabene hati bano bijaga kamwocha hati bukakwocyomu hacyara cyona tikija kakosa kwa naka kamwocha
abutimba twakahereza ruketenga twa planninga kuhereza buri umwaka timba na numuka ya RDC kareta makatimba numuka yo mutarukwe basa reka tufokasinge aha 39% ababa korenda yonka abo buturkwenda ngo baruko umulevo area bazo mu revendijo ababa babiroke nido class nibasa katimba
reka ndwara y'umushuyija gw'ensiri ne mahandwara izuri kwita abanya Uganda bwashesha bwira kandi nikigamba ngo burizo abantu abari kwingana 10 beitwe ndware ryo mu ihanga